Hello guys, welcome again to Smart Invention TV, your #1 YouTube channel that gives you authentic updates on all the new technologies out there, which will surely make things easier for you, which you can buy today on Amazon, AliExpress, or online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Introducing Tornado, your perfect solution to deal with heat. Simply wear it around your waist. And stay cool with strong wind blowing from 5 fans with one click. Tornado offers 3 wind levels, 500mm air supply radius and 585 liter per minute total air supply volume can dispel the heat for keeping cool and comfortable. The gravity-free design allows you to move freely and easily with comfort. Its rechargeable battery can last for up to 2 hours, and with a tiny power bank, you can stay cool for the whole day. Nothing handheld is required, and it never affects any of your movements. We also offer skin-friendly, icy-feeling silicone belts in 2 different sizes. You can have it directly touch your skin or wear it under your shirt.
Let's be honest, we've all owned a rechargeable fan at one point or another. Chances are it's either broken or simply not powerful enough to keep you cool during a hot, humid summer day. That's why we developed QOOLA. QOOLA comes with an ion purifier that will automatically engage as soon as the device is turned on. With its dual air conditioner technology, it can efficiently produce cooling or heating to the body instantly. QOOLA can generate a cooling mode as low as 59 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as a heating mode up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. QOOLA is relatively lightweight, so whether you're rock climbing, running, or even enjoying a picnic in the park during the hottest summer months, you no longer need to worry about dripping sweat. QOOLA can purify the pollution that you're breathing in every single day and pretty much filters out all the toxins. QOOLA can ensure to soothe your muscles and keep you warm with the perfect heating temperatures. Back us now.
What do you do when it's hot outside? If you're like most people, you turn on the AC to keep cool in your home. Look no further than Breeze Nova.
Imagine fanning yourself by hand or having a traditional fan during a hot, humid summer day. Everyone knows that doesn't help at all. Without a portable cooling device, summer can feel like a steam bath. But what if we had a wearable air conditioner? Metaura is a wearable smart air conditioner capable of producing genuine cool air, up to 7 degrees lower than the ambient temperature. Its unique built-in semiconductor chip efficiently converts hot temperatures to cool ones. Metaura keeps you cool by employing an innovative wraparound air outlet cooling system, providing a refreshing and immersive cooling experience from your neck through your entire body. Whether you're enjoying a picnic in the park, hiking over dry mountain trails, walking the dog at high noon, or camping during the hottest summer months, you no longer need to worry about the sweltering heat and humidity. Whether you're in need of a cool breeze for relief from the heat or a little gentle air to refresh yourself, Metaura intelligently detects your real-time body temperature to the ambient climate. Want to manually adjust your body temperature? Simply turn on the Bluetooth, connect Metaura, and you're ready to access seamless temperature adjustments right at your fingertips. Metaura's smart start-stop system helps to preserve energy and battery life, and the bladeless fan design keeps hair from tangling. 22-watt super fast charging makes it easy to fully charge in the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee. And the large 6,000 milliamp hour battery provides up to 8 hours of battery life, from sunrise to sunset. Metaura is the revolutionary smart wearable air conditioner that provides truly cooling air for those scorching hot days, totally redefining traditional ways to beat the heat. Back us now.
Introducing HAXSON. This revolutionary and masterful smart fan packs a HEPA-grade carbon filter with a UV light for maximum purification. Clean the area, no questions asked. But how exactly does it work for you? The answer, of course, is everywhere. Purify the whole living room in minutes, so everyone can enjoy some relaxation, even your precious furry friends. And you'll never have to worry about keeping it out of reach with a fully bladeless design. And design bleeds into every aspect of HAXSON. Seamless, refined, minimal. Fits on both sides of the bed just as easily. Comfort comes in versatility, and HAXSON keeps you cooler than any traditional fan. And unlike the others, experience a completely separate climate from your partner. Head to toe, side to side, total control over your sleeping zone. HAXSON's PTC ceramic heating plate keeps the room toasty without pumping in dry air. And when night approaches, the light will automatically adjust temperature to match, making it the perfect reading light. Or night light for the kids. Pop on the child lock to keep them safe and sleep mode to keep them resting peacefully. Because their sleep is the most critical of all. And back in the bedroom, finally, you and your other half are ready to sleep. Activate your own sleep mode to keep things quiet for the night, and let HAXSON make tonight's dreams come true.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.